Hey fantastic fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deal with scalp psoriasis. I think it's called psoriasis.
These words, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Psoriasis, silent P, then psoriasis, 4 syllables.
Okay, yeah, I was right. Psoriasis. So I'm going to teach you guys how I manage scalp psoriasis. This video that I'm about to show you guys, I recorded it about 2 weeks ago, and I'm still doing pretty well right now. I am due for a wash, so I probably will wash my hair maybe this weekend. But yeah, it dealt pretty well for 2 weeks straight. I did not wash my hair, even though in the video I do say that I will wash my hair continuously, only because I saw how bad it was. But really guys, after that first wash, I didn't have to wash my hair again. But yeah, I definitely probably will this weekend or the week ahead. Let's get into the video. Please don't cut your hair. You don't have to. I'll show you why. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is we're gonna wash this hair, and I'm gonna show you guys what shampoo I use. This is the Walmart brand, because we're balling on our budget right now. This is the Walmart brand. It's just a dandruff shampoo, but it is medicated with menthol and selenium sulfide 1%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hair with this, right? But I'm gonna also show you some other brands that I really enjoyed right here. This brand was made from Neutrogena, and it is the T-Sal Therapeutic Shampoo. It's specifically for psoriasis, I think I'm saying that right, and dandruff and all that stuff. The thing is with this one, I didn't see a difference. This one, I see a difference. And the other blue one that I linked, I saw a difference. So, I don't know. But what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to mix the two, because I still have this, so I might as well. But yeah, what I'm going to do when I style my hair, I'm going to do a very basic style. I'm not going to retwist my whole head so that I look presentable. But you want to wash your hair at least once. It says once every 3 days, but realistically with locks, you don't want to do that. So I try to wash my hair once a week until it starts to go away. And then eventually it's going to be good. It's going to go away completely. So let's wash our hair, and then I'll explain everything after. So now I finished washing my hair, and I guess I can show y'all first before we go on. All right. But yeah. It's not focused, but it's clean, my dear. See it? It's clean, it's clean, it's clean. It's clean, it's clean, it's clean. So now what we're gonna do, I use this for oil because, okay, let me explain. Oil is causing your problem to be worse. Stop using oil. Throw it away. I know you want to moisturize your scalp, but your scalp is already moisturized and producing moisture. Chill out. Buy this. I got this before Target did what they did, so moving forward I will be ordering it from I don't know where, but I got this from Target. It's the Nizoral Scalp and Itch Relief. This is actually the brand that I was telling you guys about that I use instead of the Walmart brand. Same brand. So they have the oil and they have the shampoo. So what are the ingredients in here? Let's see. They use aloe, menthol, so menthol really works, clearly, and hyaluronic acid, which is what I put on my face. How cool is that? Okay, so now we're just gonna go in. I usually just go in the front for these. I don't put it in the back because my backs don't really be that irritated. Honestly, my fronts get irritated when I use products that I'm not supposed to use. I used to make my own gel, but I have been very lazy these last few years and I have not made it. I used to make a flaxseed gel, and if you guys want to see how to make that, I will definitely make a video for you. Just let me know in the comments. But yeah, now I just use regular gel, but because I use regular gel, I'm constantly getting flare-ups, so I'm constantly having to treat myself. I was able to stop getting flare-ups for like 3 months straight, but then I stopped being consistent with like my washes and it ended up coming back. But yeah. Here I see a little spot. I'm just gonna put that over there and rub it in. Tell me, pusa. Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it, baby. Alright. I think we're good. Not gonna lie, it kind of burns a little bit. Pro tip. So, you know the exfoliating gloves that you use on your body? Go ahead and purchase another one. A separate one for your scalp. I use 2 of these to really get in there without using my nails and really like using my, what are these called? You know. Yeah, we use these. What is these called? Palm. This is your palm. Fingertips, maybe. Use my fingertips with those, and I can really like exfoliate my scalp and take off all the junk that don't need to be there. Right now, I'm just letting the oil sit for a little bit. We're gonna do chunky twists around my entire head, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna take them out and it's gonna be curly. Sometimes I do put product in my hair right after and I'll be okay, but I don't feel like doing that today. I feel like I had a really bad flare up, so I think my hair just needs to breathe, and I don't want to irritate it by putting other products right now, so we're just gonna let it be. These are not really like a retwist. I'm not really parting or anything like that. I'm just going in, double twisting wherever I see fit. So it's officially been 1 week since I washed my hair. And as you can see, I'm gonna do a little zoomy zoom. As you can see, still no dandruff. No dandruff. I did definitely apply the serum like every other day. So for me to go a whole week was pretty good. Like I was supposed to wash my hair once a week, but that didn't happen. I'm gonna go on 2 weeks and see what happens. But yeah, it's pretty good. Not really that much dandruff. There was a little outbreak on like the 3rd day, but all I did was just apply that same oil that I told you guys about, and yeah, it went away. So right now I'm just uncurling my hair, and I'm gonna do a little cute style. I was gonna like retwist, but I'm not even going to. I'm gonna just let her do her thing with the naps, because I really don't want to apply any product. And I honestly think I'm gonna go back to using the flaxseed gel, because that really helps. I think anything that's natural like aloe, flaxseed, definitely opt for those. Or not oil, don't use oil. But yeah, aloe, flaxseed definitely can help so that you don't get any outbreaks. This is so cute. Alright, so now with the top of my hair, how I'm gonna style it tomorrow, multiple ways. I'm either gonna put a bandana on there, or I might just leave some hairs out. I might do one of these. I might just leave it down. I might put a bandana on it, or I might leave it just like that. Honestly, straight like that. Looks good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. So all that to say, if you're suffering from psoriasis, I think that's what it's called, you will be okay. Do not cut your locks. Get the right products. Do your research. Stop using oil, because the fungus is feeding on the oil. And so do not use oil anymore. Your hair is not dry. That is not the problem. The problem is not that your hair is dry. So stop using oil. Instead, use more menthol products and natural products. No oil. I repeat, no oil. Okay? Do not cut your hair. Love you so much. And go see a dermatologist too, because he might be able to help you. If those products don't work, your next step is to go see a dermatologist. Do not cut your hair unless a dermatologist tells you to cut your hair. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Absolutely love you. Have a good night. Bye.